Okay, so I'm logged in to the back end of the site. Now all the content is on what's called pages. Okay, so you can display all the pages here. I don't know if you're familiar with WordPress, but this uses a theme which does make it easier to update and produce new page, create new pages, but also there is a bit of a learning curve. So let me just show you. For example, if you want to create a new page, what you can do is clone an existing page. I recommend you do this. Okay, so let's just clone this one as an example. So click on clone. Okay, so you give the page a new title, so let's just call it new page. Not very inventive, but there we go. This is the URL, so you want to change this to new page. Just change that. And click OK on that. Okay, that's fine. Then click update. Okay, now to change the content, this is what the text looks like, but you don't need to worry about this. But that's what it all looks like. Okay, so you think so all you do is you click on Profit Builder. Click on Edit Page. And the page is built with a number of elements, and you can add or delete elements. Okay, it's very easy to do once you get the hang of it. Okay, so remember this is the clone page, so we can change this without any problem. So say you wanted to change the headline, all you do is click on the pencil. Then the text will appear over here. So it's in strong and that's the text. So you can just change the text. If you want to change things like the colours, the font size, the alignment, you can do all that there. You can add animation if you want to. Just show you how to animate something. That will now flip in. It previews it for you as well. So you want to get rid of this bit here. Just click X. Delete it. If you want to delete the whole row, then you use the icons on the left hand side, click X, or delete the whole row. That might leave some spaces there, so sometimes you just need to click X again. Okay, now you can see we need a bit of space here, so what you can do is go back to the top line. Down here under General, you can just add a margin. Now you get space below that. Okay, like that. So let's say you want to just add something new. Let's say I want to add an image here, just as an example. And click on that. All these different options. Just click on image. Okay, you then upload the image. Okay, and that will have an image there. Let's get rid of that. Now you can drag or drop these around as well. If you want to add a new row, let's just add a new row. All these different options for rows, let's just do a 2-column one. Okay, now you can drag this up. Now, I do have problems with this sometimes, but okay, that's dragged it up, hopefully. Yep, it's dragged it up there. If you want to move up a bit more, you would just drag it up there. Another thing you can do as well, you can actually add elements from the side. So say you wanted to add some HTML here, you can just drag the HTML block in there. Okay, so you then put your HTML in there. Okay, you want to change a row. So all this row, you can change things, you can make full width row. You got padding there. You can make it a time row so it appears after so many minutes or seconds. If you want to change the background, which is something you might want to do, just pull that. That'll change the background. Okay, it doesn't look very good, but you get the idea. To change text color. Sorry, my internet's just suddenly stopped. Okay, so you want to change text color. You go to the block. This is slightly different because it's one great big block, but we've got blue and black text, so you have to get the color to change that particular headline. Okay. Normally speaking, if you just got a straightforward block like this one, you want to change the colour, all you do is just change that colour. You can also, if you want to, you can change the hover cover underneath. Okay, so as you hover over that text, it will go blue at the moment. Can't see that in the preview, but trust me, that's how it works. So yeah, that's a quick rundown. I mean, you can add buttons, HTML, bullet lists, headings, tabs, all kinds of stuff. It really can play about with a test page, like what I'm doing here now. You can add counters, graphs, all sorts of stuff. Video, loads of things. Okay, now once you've done the change, okay, you can preview it. Obviously, this isn't going to look very good because we've made a few changes. Let's go back. I save it. I need to save it first. Save it. Okay, now let's preview it. Okay, so there's the changes we made. Then you go back. Remember to update the page. So you click on update. Okay, that's it. Your new page is now being created. Just view that. So every time you need to create a new page, I would always clone it because all this information here at the top isn't automatically added. It will be added if you clone the page. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.